Hey everyone, this is Jessome, and I'm a founder at IronSight, and I'm excited to show you our new job search. We have some clients that are closing in on 1 million completed jobs in IronSight, which is crazy, and we need to make sure search stays fast and easy to use as you all continue to grow. We're seeing that the new search is 10 times faster than the old one, and to achieve that big jump in performance, we changed up some of the underlying design, and I'll just be walking you through the new layout to get you comfortable so that you can start using the new search before we retire the old one at the end of April. Okay, let's get into it. I'm on the old jobs list here, and to get to the new one, I'll turn this toggle on in the bottom. There we go. The first thing I will call out is that jobs are now organized by status in this left panel. When they're requested, they'll land in the queue. When a dispatcher assigns them to a truck and worker, they'll land in dispatched. When the worker completes it, you'll find it here in completed, and then it'll go through the billing steps till it lands in its final state of approved. There's also an all results option down at the very bottom, which will show you jobs across all statuses. If this feels familiar, it's because our mobile app has been structured the same way for many years. To get a bit more into how to use this new structure, I'm going to click into the queue, and you can see that it holds two statuses of requested and assigned to pool. I'm going to hide the assigned to pool ones and just look at the requested. And let's say I want to look at only the jobs starting next week. I can use the date filter within the queue, and maybe I want to sort it by the planned start date, so the sort controls have now been moved up to this button here. Okay, I know that all 4 of these jobs need to be assigned to vac truck 87, so I'm going to go and bulk assign them to VT number 87 from SureFlow. And now that they've been dispatched, they'll leave the queue and they'll now land in the dispatch section. Okay, now that we know how to navigate and sort and filter by date range, I'm going to show you our new filtering controls. So I have one filter applied here already for my resource type is vacuum truck. Let's say I want to add a few more trucks here. I'm responsible for pressure and pickers. And let's say I only dispatch the drilling divisions. So I'll add a couple drilling divisions here. And finally, let's say I only dispatch 2 service providers. One is named SureFlow, so I'll just type that in here. And you'll start to see suggestions, which makes it really easy to click one filter there. And then yeah, I also have another guy named Afternoon Trucking that I look after here. Okay, so this is my main focus as a dispatcher. It'd be a good idea to click the Save Current Filters button. And I'll just call this drilling, fluid, and light hull. And click Save. You'll see this little chip is added at the top. And that makes it so that when I remove my filters by clicking this X, in one click I can get right back to my home base here. And with these filter chips applied, I can then start searching through the buckets and progressing jobs through the workflow. Okay, one last thing to demonstrate. Let's say I need to find out how much produced water a service provider called SureFlow has hauled from a well called Palomar in the last year. First of all, I'll search for the well called Palomar. Then I'll search for the service provider called SureFlow. I'll go into the all results, and I'll set the completed date to being in the past year. I get 63 results, which I can export either as a CSV and do some Excel reporting, or as a JSON if I need to get more advanced with it. That's it. So thanks very much for watching. As always, we really welcome feedback because we're always looking to improve the product. I'll leave some links here at the end of the video in case you're interested in reading more about the finer details of our new job search. See you later.